Epochs and batches. These are two fundamental parameters that control how machine learning models process training data during the learning phase. A batch is a subset of your training data that gets processed together in one forward and backward pass. An epoch is one complete pass through your entire training dataset, which may contain many batches. Think of it like reading a textbook to study for an exam. Each chapter you read is like a batch, a manageable chunk of information. Reading the entire textbook from cover to cover once is like completing one epoch. To truly master the material, you typically need to go through the book multiple times, which means multiple epochs. If you have 10,000 images and set a batch size of 100, your model processes 100 images at a time, updates its weights through gradient descent, then moves to the next batch. After processing all 100 batches, you have completed one epoch. Training typically runs for dozens or hundreds of epochs until the model converges. Batch size affects training speed and memory usage, while the number of epochs determines how thoroughly your model learns from the data. Choosing the right combination is essential for efficient training and optimal model performance. Epochs and batches.